way to solve the quadratic equation? Let's learn here. So this is the platform you learn the new things. So the new way to solve the quadratic equation is now in front of you. So let's take some random problem. Random problem like x squared minus 25x plus some 50. You know, this is a format of the quadratic equation, right? So then you should know the sum of roots. Okay, the sum of roots is equal to minus b by a, and also the product of roots. So let's break it into chunks so that you will all get clear when I am ending up this video, and you will be expert in solving any of the quadratic equation, because this trick, this new way of solving some quadratic equation applies for any kind of quadratic equation, right? So because it is let me say you have learned determined and all the stuffs, right? So it is the new way, and it is very best thing to solve anytime. You shouldn't be worried because you are not getting some answers. You will get the answer definitely, for sure. I assure you, you will get some answers at the end, and that's correct for sure. And you will take very less amount of time by solving the random the specified format of that, solving the quadratic equation, that is x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac. You know that what is discriminant, the way of solving discriminant. So that's very long stuff. So this is very quite small and very tricky, not tricky, let's say, like you will use some two chunks. You use two parts of the solving quadratic equations, and you will combine it, and you will get some roots. That's it. So product of roots is c by a. So product of roots is c by a, and you know the b is, you should find the b. B is the whole thing. B is minus 25, and c is, you all know, you have learned how to take b, c, and a is the 1, right? 0, sorry. You should take the, or I can say, I don't know, I forgot it, but that's it. B, you all know to take this thing, right? So now you take sum of roots. Sum of roots means, let's assume, I'll take here, let's assume one root as x and other root as y. Okay? Or let me take like random things other than x and y, because it will be x, right? So let me take x dash, x dash and x double dash for some for the two roots. So x dash is equal to minus b, that is minus of minus 25, because minus is here also, then this is minus 25. So by 1, that is 25, right? So sum of roots, right? I'm so sorry. Sum of roots, so x dash, x double dash. This is the. So then x dash plus, into, I'll take dot, double dash, is c by a, right? C by a. C is 50. So here, the concept is now we should take the average of the roots. Keep it in mind, we should take the average of the roots. So the average of the roots I get is this thing, right? Here by 2. So by 2. So average of the root is, I will take AVG. Average of the root is 25 by 2. So you know that the answer is in between. Let me erase this. You all know. Just take a look of this. Now we'll just go ahead of this. Okay. We got the chunks in. Now let me take average of the root, right? Average of the root, I got it as 25 by 2. Now let's take the look about how the graph takes the responsibility of this equation. So the graph is like this, assume like that. So we have taken average of the roots. The average of the one root is here. One root is here, that is x dash. So another root is cutting at this point, so x double dash. And we have taken the average of these roots. We have taken the average of these numbers, and that is in middle. That is in middle. Because like, let me take like 5 plus 10. I mean like 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 and 5. 10 divided by 2, the average is 5. So letting up the number like 7 and 3. So in between I get 5. So here 4 and here 6. So I have in middle, right? So I have it in middle. So I get in middle x double x dash and x double dash. I get median here. I mean, sorry, median, not median. So average number here, right? And this, and here, from here to here, we have the same distance covering it, because from 3 to 5 we have two numbers covering it in, and 5 to 7 I have two numbers covering it in. So let me take like u, I mean same distance, right? So let me take that distance as u, and here also u. So now I can say, so x dash is equal to m minus u. So m is here. If you minus this thing, like assume m is 5. So I have 7 here. 7 here, right? Sorry, it is ulta palta. So 3, 7 here. So I have 3 here. So to go backwards, I have to subtract this. 5 minus 2. So 3, and 5 plus 2 is 7. The same thing we apply here. So don't take me wrong, but I have just exchanged it for your convenience. So x dash is m minus u, x double dash is m plus, right? X dash is m minus u, x double dash is m plus u. We have got average m as this is, let me take as m. So assuming it is m as average, let me take it as m. So now we should find this distance. We should find this distance, right? So m minus u plus m plus u. I'm sorry. I'll just write this. So we have these roots, x dash and x double dash as the roots. So x dash and x double dash as the roots, and we get c by a, right? What is c by a? C by a is 50. And here we know the formula, m minus u, the identity, right? A plus b, a plus b, a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So m square minus u square. So what is m square? M square is 25 into 2 whole square minus u square, u square. We need to find, right? Yeah, let me get it. So I have to solve this thing, and we get something like, I have no space here. We get like what? 25, 4 into 25 minus u square by 50. Let me take here to here. I get it as 625 by 4 plus minus 50 is equal to u square. So I get it like 625 by 4 minus 200 by 4 u square. And I get u square as 625 minus 200. Like 425 by 4. So u root of 420. So it is as u as 425 by 2. I get this u, and we have got, and I think we have arrived at answer. X dash is equal to 25 by 2. Here, look at here. We are using the formula. M we know. We know m is 25 by 2, the average thing. And let's minus root of 425 by 2, and x double dash is 25 by 2 minus plus root of 425 by 2. So this is the case. We should know this, and let me put the things. Let me put this thing on this thing. So we'll get the roots of this equation and to explain you, I have uh, made the solving of this equation so long, but let me tell you, this is very easiest method, and this is very coolest method I have ever seen, I have ever heard. So comment it down if you like it. So this is the end of this video. So let's see it again in the next video. For more short tricks of like for maths and physics, all this stuff, subscribe to my channel. I'm Bruce Physics. Okay. Thank you.